I need some water. I'm hot. With another video. So don't worry about my nails because I'm quarantining. My nail salons are not open, and don't worry about my hair because my hair is not done as well, and don't worry about my outfit because I am in my house, comfortable, quarantining. Anyway, so today I am coming to you guys with another video, and the video that I'm going to be doing today is the Aztec Clay Mask. Okay, so if you guys have never heard of an Aztec Clay Mask, this must be your first time watching on YouTube because, I mean, it's everywhere. No, I kid. But no, seriously, if you have not heard of the Aztec Clay Mask, I am going to be putting it on for you today. And the items that you will need will be the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Hope you guys can see this because the last time I did this, it did not work, but I hope it worked now. All right, so deep pore cleansing. This is what you guys will need. You can get this off of Amazon. I'm pretty sure this is less than $10. You can get this from Publix. You can get this from Amazon. You can get this from Walmart, Target, wherever you guys shop. This is the apple cider vinegar with the mother. Yes, it must says with the mother, okay? So basically what this mask is supposed to do, it's supposed to detox your face. It definitely makes your face feel super smooth when you're done. It's supposed to remove blemishes eventually. It's supposed to minimize your bumps. So if you have like a huge bump today and you put the mask on today, tomorrow the swelling will be down. I am a witness. I used to suffer from bad acne, blemishes, dark spots. I used to suffer from all of that. I do not know why. Nothing the dermatologist gave me worked, so I just had to find my own face regimen. And this does work for me. If you want to, you can use this mask every day, once a week, every day. And then after that, you can just go to like once or twice a month. Yeah, so that's all. I'm not gonna talk to you guys heads off. But I do not measure this, just like when I cook, I just eye it. So that's probably too much, but I mean, it's okay. So you're gonna pour the powder in here. You're going to pour the apple cider vinegar in here as well until you get like a nice consistency. You don't wanna do too much. Y'all can't hear, but it's fizzing. It's so cool. It's like a volcano experiment. I had to do one in school, but anyway. So you do not want to put this stuff into a glass or a metal bowl, and you don't want to use a metal fork. You want to use everything plastic. And if you get the kits on Amazon, they provide you with all of that. So this consistency to me is too watery, so I'm pouring more powder in here to make it thick to my liking because I like it thick. Thick. Alright, y'all, that's why I be late for real. Like, I always have to dance. I always have to like do something. So this is what it should look like, guys. This consistency. It should look like this. Okay? So when you put this on your face, you want to spread it over your face evenly, and you want to leave it on your face for 20 minutes, but I am not going to sit here and entertain you guys for 20 minutes because that's just too long. So I'm going to put this on my face, and I am going to be back after I put this on my face. So hopefully you guys can see me. Can they see me, Sean?
Yeah.
Okay. I have my cameraman in the back, y'all, helping me out. By the way, you guys, I did this on Brandon yesterday. He's so extra. It was like, this stink. This stink. What is that? Like, it's a vinegar, babe. It is a vinegar. Vinegar does not smell good, y'all. So how are y'all enjoying this quarantine, y'all? Y'all ready for this to be over with? Because listen, I'm ready. I done spent all this doggone money on this wedding. They may not play with me. And my girls, we ready for our bachelorette party. It's mine, but I say ours because they my girls and they're part of my day, so I'm sharing with them, so it's ours. But our bachelorette party, y'all, I'm ready to turn up. Like, I'm ready to have so much fun. And I don't think y'all understand, but my bachelorette party gonna probably be like Girls Trip. If y'all ain't seen the movie Girls Trip, go check it out. But I was talking to one of my homegirls this morning, and she was like, they canceled the Essence Festival. I was like, what? They canceled the Essence Festival. And my bachelorette party is the week after the Essence Festival. So does that mean, I don't know. We'll see. But for real, y'all, after I put this on, I'm not gonna be able to talk to y'all like that for real, because when I tell y'all this thing get super tight. Super tight. But y'all, it feels so good when you remove this mask. So when you do remove this mask, make sure you do it over your kitchen sink, or if you have to take a shower, do it in your shower, because you don't want it to clog up your tub or your sink in your bathroom. I'm not gonna be responsible with that. I don't want y'all to be like, hey, she did, Don't be calling me and trying to get no invoice, because that ain't gonna happen. Even though I got my stimulus check, that's not y'all's money, that's mine. That's mine, okay? So yeah, so this is how you're supposed to look. Like that. So, can y'all see? Don't know about that. Y'all young folks don't know about that little Kim. My son back there looking at me like, what is she doing? I don't know nothing about that little Kim.
Yeah. 20 minutes later.
Hey y'all, so y'all can't laugh because this thing's super tight. Look at my face. Y'all, like when you put this on and it like pulls your skin back, it gives you like the biggest lips ever. Like I really wish my lips were like super full, like Angelina Jolie. Like sometimes when I do this mask, it gives me that Angelina Jolie fullness of my lips. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, I don't want to take the mask off. Because when I take the junk off, I go back looking like this. Well, my lips be like super small. But y'all, it's doing the job. This why it's so tight, but it feels so good. So right now it's just pulling everything out of my pores. Everything out, everything out. You're gonna have some wet areas still, but it's really dry. It just looks wet because that part probably didn't coat evenly as everywhere else did. But this is what it looks like. So when I wash this off, you can just spray, do your moisturizer or whatever, but I like to use honey. after this mask. I use honey to give you that glow, that pop, that hey sunshine. And after that, I'll put my rose water on. I'm gonna show you guys all of that in a minute. But right now, I couldn't even yawn if I wanted to. Like, I can't even do that because it's like so tight. But it's so fun doing this mask, y'all. I really wish I could do this like on all of my friends and just have like a straight mask party. And we talk to each other like this and we have to try to figure out what the other person is saying. Because when it gets super duper tight, I'm probably not gonna be able to use move my lips like this for real. It feels like I'm sweating under here. Like I'm hot. So it's like, and you can feel it pulling, y'all. Hold on. Not like you guys can feel it, but that was funny. I need some water. I'm hot. I can't even drink water. All right, y'all. It's pulling really tight. I am about to wash this off my face. Again, when you wash your face, please wash with lukewarm water. You do not need straight hot or straight cold. Wash off with lukewarm water and use your hand and you just go in a circular motion. Bring your face under the water and it'll come off. And then also guys, before you put the mask on, touch your face. Feel what your face feels like. Feel the oiliness, everything. Even before you do the mask, wash your face. Your face has to already be clean, but it's still going to feel different than it will after you wash this mask off. Gonna wash the mask off and I'll be right back. Make sure that, oh, I got some more over here. Why y'all ain't tell me I missed a spot, sis? I'm gonna be looking out for your girl, for real. Y'all wanna see me fail. God, dog. All this doggone mask over here. Over her. All right, y'all. So your face may be a little red afterwards, and that's just because of all the detoxing and the pulling and everything that the mask did to your face. But your face should be clear. It should feel so soft like a baby bottom. What I like to do afterwards, this is just what I like to do. You don't have to do it, but I put raw honey all over my face and I just let it sit. This helps your face pop. And after this, if you want to, you can put your moisturizer on, which I consider this the moisturizer. And I just rub it in. Get them lips too. We want soft, glowy lips. We may not have Angelina Jolie lips, but we'll work with what God gave us. So this should, ooh, what is this? A strand from outside? Once you rub this in, you will wash off with cold water. It's gonna give you that glowy look. And I'm going to spray my rose water on my face and I'll be done. So, never wipe, always pat, you guys. Pat, 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 pat. Pat your face. Honestly, why? I don't know. Somebody just told me that. I don't even know what the difference is, but just don't do it. Don't wipe your face, just pat. If you're an esthetician or a facial person or whatever, if y'all know the reason why you should pat and not wipe, let people in the comments know. All right, so I will leave everything that I use in the description. I am using my rose water. And now, about to chill. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, concerns, any feedback, let your girl know, and I will see you for my next video. I can't wait for y'all to see me in my next video. No, but for real, thank you. Bye.